What's going on, guys? It's Cool Fred here. Today I'm going to show you guys how to repair your door panel on your Ram 1500. Well, I'm going to attempt to repair it. It's not real bad, but it's just starting to come apart right here. It seems like it's still supported real good, but it's just this little area right here where the paneling is starting to separate from the actual door handle itself. So I'm gonna get this door panel off and try to get that handled.
This door panel is easy to remove. Just remove the trim and the screw and several of these retaining rivets, T20, Torx bit. Then remove your window switch.
Alrighty, I got this driver's side door panel off the Ram. I got it over here on my stand here. Pretty much what I found is that these plastic rivets right here, I guess they melt them in from the factory, have pretty much broke. But I was able to find some extra screws and drill these rivets out a little bit, making sure I don't go through the making sure that I don't go through the armrest. I was able to drill straight down and kind of secure this panel with those screws. So I pretty much just put it in by hand. So what I'm gonna do, just for safe measure, I'm gonna go ahead and glue this with some 2-part epoxy. And then I'm gonna put 2 screws in here, just some miscellaneous screws that I had laying around the shop. Pretty much like a machine Torx screw. So I'm gonna do that and see how it works out. All right, just a real quick recap real quick. So what I ended up doing, I took a pretty much drill bit. I believe this, I'm not sure if it's yeah, that's a 1/8 drill bit. So right here, just kind of drill through the rivet. It's a little tricky to see. Drill through the rivet, 1 and 2. And that's enough to get a good old screw in there.